Nestled within the verdant embrace of Valle de Bravo, a sanctuary known as Zarzales House stands as a testament to harmonious coexistence between architecture and nature. Conceived by PPAA, this vacation retreat beckons its inhabitants to shed the complexities of modern life and rediscover the fundamental rhythms of the natural world. Surrounded by a stately congregation of pine trees, the dwelling seems to melt into its environment, its presence a gentle whisper rather than a bold statement. It is a space designed not to dominate the landscape, but to become an intrinsic part of it, offering a restorative haven deeply connected to the whispering pines and the subtle shifts of the forest. The architectural vision for Zarzales House unfolds in the form of two distinct yet interconnected volumes, each serving a specific purpose and fostering both communal connection and individual repose. The first volume is a vibrant hub, a spacious social area intentionally crafted to draw people together. Here, laughter and conversation will echo through amply lit spaces, blurring the lines between indoors and out. The generous use of natural light and carefully considered openings ensure that no corner feels truly enclosed, fostering a sense of continuous engagement with the surrounding landscape. The second volume offers a more intimate experience, housing the bedrooms, tranquil havens dedicated to rest and rejuvenation, each still subtly connected to the natural tapestry just beyond its walls. Mindful of the region's frequent rains, the architects thoughtfully incorporated gabled roofs, a practical yet aesthetically pleasing design element that seamlessly integrates with the traditional architectural vernacular. However, the true ingenuity of the project lies in its profound respect for the existing ecosystem. Towering pine trees, ancient sentinels of the valley, held a position of paramount importance in the design process. Rather than clearing the land, the placement of the two volumes was meticulously dictated by the location of these majestic trees. This reverence for nature even extended to the creation of a unique terrace, punctuated by deliberate perforations that gracefully accommodate the trunks of the pines, allowing them to continue their silent watch over the home and its inhabitants. The result is a dwelling where the boundary between the built environment and the natural world dissolves almost entirely. Sunlight streams through strategically placed windows, dappling the interior spaces with the shifting patterns of the leaves. The scent of pine needles carried on the gentle breeze permeates the air, creating an immersive sensory experience. Zarzales House is more than just a vacation home. It is an ode to the surrounding environment, a place where the architecture humbly serves as a frame for the beauty that already exists, inviting a profound sense of peace and reconnection with the essential tranquility of nature.